Okay, so for part 3, I want to talk about probably the most sophisticated aspect of the software so far that lets you visualize networks within the space and visualize which trichords belong to which set classes and so on. So we'll start with a command called show. Show, and then the second word varies depending on what you're trying to do. In this case, actually, if I write show and then a trichord, or actually 3 numbers that represents a prime form or a set class, and then if I enter that, it's going to kind of highlight all trichords that are members of the 000 set class. So when I press enter, you'll see that a whole bunch of them go gray, and only the trichords that are members of 003, or sorry, 000 are highlighted, right? And that makes a diagonal line through the space, as you can see. So maybe I want to also say, I want to see show 0, 1, 4. And there has to be a space between each number, and then a semicolon. Now it's going to show me all 0, 1, 4s. Let's say we want to clear the space. You would write show clear, and that clears out the space so that all of them are grayed out. And now we can start over again. So show 0, 1, 4, semicolon. Now I've got all the 0, 1, 4s in the space. And then now that I know they're all 0, 1, 4s, maybe I want to toggle, change the display type to the normal forms. So I can see all their normal forms. 521 is 125, and that's a member of the 014 set class, and so on. Let me change the display type back to prime again. Alright, so now I can do compound operations. Let me clear the space first so it erases everything, and then I can use the show command and then add in a bunch of set classes separated by commas, and it'll render all of those set classes. So I say show 000 and 0, 1, 3 and 0, 1, 6, and now it will highlight all of the trichords in the space that belong to one of those 3. All my 0, 1, 3s are highlighted, all my 0, 1, 6s are highlighted, and all my 0, 0, 0s are highlighted, which go through the center of the space. So that's the show command. If you want to show all of them, highlight all trichords, you type in show all. And that's the default, as you may have noticed in the space, that everything is highlighted.